Back in 2009, YouTube was about posting your best Call of Duty clips, funny cat videos, or filming at a zoo. Fast forward to now and YouTube has changed drastically. There's over 60 million creators on this platform today, and many of them have teams working on their content and high budgets. As these massive creators were born and they began to take over the platform, everyone aimed for similar success. And the focus started to shift from raw and personal videos to optimized and well-polished content, often filmed in studios. I mean, some of the content you see on this platform today is incredible. Like, the production quality that you get from some of these channels is insane. Just look at some MrBeast and Sidemen videos now from where they used to be. It's literally movie level quality. But as great as this is for them and YouTube, this has caused the focus to slowly shift from videos being more personal to the viewer and authentic towards being manufactured and more tailored to algorithms. It shifted from let's film a personal vlog towards how much can I edit out of this to make it good for audience retention. In short, somewhere along the way, I believe that we lost the personality, relatability, and authenticity of content. And videos have needed to be tailored more towards an algorithm than the audience and enjoying making the content. When I was younger, I maybe wanted to watch the fast-paced game show style videos, but now I appreciate insightful and personality driven content much more. And I think that's hopefully where YouTube is heading in the near future. Over the last year, we have started to see some glimpses of the old YouTube coming back, with more and more authentic content popping up everywhere. Long-form podcasts have multiplied and are becoming increasingly successful as viewers like seeing the personality behind the viral content. Some new YouTubers have recently blown up from just sharing their daily lives. A surprising example of this was a guy called Sam Sulek, who simply just takes his viewers through his daily life going to the gym. His content has next to no production value and is focused just around his personality and his relatability. But successful, authentic creators like Sam are still a minority on YouTube right now, and it will be very hard to replicate. So where does this put us upcoming creators? Should we go full authenticity like Sam and just show our personality with no editing and no thumbnail? Or should we go for MrBeast style success, where we focus on making everything as optimized as possible with retention editing, flashy thumbnails, etc. Overall, I think you should find a blend in the middle. Your main focus should be on showing your personality and connecting with your viewers first. Then try and edit your content in a more visually appealing and smooth way. Add some B-roll and maybe some motion graphics every once in a while, but slow down on the constant fast cuts, crazy transitions, and screaming at camera. I often find that more of the video being on you and there being dead air often helps the viewer digest information better. It also helps the video flow easier and let the viewer connect with you more. Another thing I would advise is not to overly obsess over the analytical side of things. Whilst this might be worth it for bigger creators with more of an audience to analyse, this will just hurt you in the beginning. YouTube throws these numbers in your face: click-through rate, average view duration, like to dislike ratio, and I find that this can often take the fun out of content creation and make you feel bad about how you're doing. Think more about the type of person you're creating content for and how you can help them, and think less about the algorithm that you're trying to trick into giving you views. I made the mistake in the past of making too many choppy edits and making things too fast-paced. And while some of them performed well, I was building an audience that couldn't sit still and couldn't focus, and they connected less with me and just left the video once they got the value they were looking for. A big issue for many of us beginner creators is that we often don't have the time, energy, or budget to make videos. But you'll be pleased to know that you don't need all this flashy equipment to build a big audience. Watch this video right here to hear more.